Fort Knox safes are built in Orem, Utah, customized for you and backed by a lifetime warranty. Fort Knox offers customization from the ground up. Start with your exterior. Choose from a simple textured finish to a distressed tiled with rivets or even a high gloss shine. Add a custom pull handle to make getting into your safe even easier. You can personalize your hardware from traditional logos to custom cutout crane hinges. Your safe should reflect your style as much as it protects your peace of mind. Fort Knox's multi-layered defense uses Type-C fiberboard on all sides, solid welded steel construction, and a heat-activated door seal that expands to lock out smoke and flames. When fire strikes, Type-C fiberboard releases chemically bound water as steam, regulating internal temperature and slowing down heat transfer. Its vermiculite content expands to fill microgaps, preventing the insulation from cracking or separating, a critical weakness in cheaper safes that rely on basic drywall and glue. Unlike ordinary safes, Fort Knox uses fully welded steel anchors that create an air gap, a thermal barrier between the steel body and the fireboard. This keeps your vault rigid, sealed, and square even under extreme heat. Inside the safe, customize every inch. Add shelving tailored to your needs, gun racks for your collection, custom cabinets, even watch winder for your timepieces. If maximum security is your priority, Fort Knox gives you the options. Reinforce your vault with extra layers of carbon steel for added strength, stainless steel for torch protection, or ballistic steel for cutting protection. Build the exact level of security you need. If you have a tight spot your safe needs to fit in, Fort Knox safes will even allow you to custom build your safe to make the dimensions work for you.